Pastimes and activities. Taking a vacation.
I just bought a ticket to New York City. I'm so excited to see the city.
Good for you. Traveling is so much fun. I love discovering new places and new people. When are you leaving?
Next week, I'm taking the red-eye. It was cheaper. Hopefully, I'll be able to sleep on the plane.
I wish I could go with you. New York City is a magical place. You'll have so much fun.
I hope so. I'm going to visit my brother who lives there. I'll stay for a week and then take the train down to Washington, D.C.
That sounds like a great vacation. I'm looking forward to a week at the beach for my summer vacation. I just want to relax.
Language notes. Ticket can refer to many different types of transportation: metro, bus, train, plane, etc. In general, you can guess the means of transportation by the context. When discussing airplane travel, a red-eye is a flight that leaves at night to arrive early the next morning. This is in reference to how red your eyes become when you don't get a full night's sleep.